Hi, boys and girls. So go ahead and put your name at the top of your paper. And we are going to be talking about our double strategy. And by the end of the week, you should be able to know your doubles facts, which is when two numbers that are the same are added together, then they have we just know the answer and we can find them and just know. We don't have to count or anything. So let's find the answers here. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So I want you to write all the answers in the bubbles. 14. 9 plus 9 is 18. 6 plus 6 is 12. 8 plus 8 is 16. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 6 is 12. 8 plus 8 is 16. 7 plus 7 is 14. 6 plus 6 is 12. 8 plus 8, we've already done that one a couple of times. 16. 5 plus 5 is 10. 9 plus 9 is 18. We have two 5 plus 5s right next to each other. Those are 10. And we just did this one. It's 18. 12. 12. 12. Then 7 plus 7 is 14. 8 plus 8 is 16. 9 plus 9 is 18. Now we're going to get our crayons and we're going to color the bubbles. So any bubble with a 10 is going to be red. So color all the 10 bubbles red. And if you need more time to color, then you can push pause. The next color is yellow. So we find all of the 12 bubbles and color them yellow. And again, if you need extra time, you can always just push pause on the video to give yourself time to color all of the bubbles. Okay. The next color is purple. So all of the 14s are going to be purple. All of the 16s will be blue. Looks like I missed a red one. Oops. And the last color is going to be orange. All of our 18s will be orange. Okay, nice job. Let's turn it over on the back. Now, this is your chance to show me what you know. What I want you to do is push pause on the video and solve all of these doubles problems. And then when you're finished, I want you to push play so that we can check it and see how good you did. So go ahead and push pause. All right, boys and girls, are you ready to check? Here we go. 16, 6, 12, 8, 20, 14. That's the first row. 18, 10, 0, 6, 16, 4, 20, 12, 4, 16, 8, 2. Then we have 14, 18, 10, 0, 4, 6. All right, good work today on your double strategy. We're getting towards the end of the week, so hopefully you're able to do these much easier than you did at the first of the week. Good job, boys and girls.